Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, boys and girls, with the binary. Yes, the binary. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 15th, June the 16th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, yes, the binary puzzle, the binary Sudoku. This one with 4 stars, and this one will be number, I believe, number 8726. 8726. Before I start, I always count or print the digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 22. Print the digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. The one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Then double O, here one, there one. Let me think. Between two O's comes an 1. Well, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And it cannot be in one of these two boxes, the O. Otherwise, we have 3 ones in this in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So these two boxes should be a 1. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Okay. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed. One of the rules of this game, you know, this should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed. One of the rules of this game, you know, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have the 5th O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow, this one is well quick to solve without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Until then, bye bye for now.